Cause he been lying to you all this goddamn time. That nigga been capped out. You a capping ass nigga. You let him wear that red jacket in the first place. It's really your fault, man.
When I see you, I'ma holler at you.
I'ma holler at you because you let him wear that damn jacket, nigga. That's gonna be the problem, nigga. It's you. It's really you. It's you. You.
Hey,
yes.
listen. Hey, Yachty. I called this nigga, right? I called this nigga. I said, hey, how you like my fit? That nigga said, you raw as fuck. That shit clean as fuck, but you raw as fuck. He fucking lied to me, man.
Man, that nigga need to go do life in prison, bro.
Get up, bro.
Be Rich, you let him wear that jacket, bro.
No, he let me wear the jacket, Yachty.
Be Rich, you the mastermind behind this.
Hey, fuck, I let him wear it. But only because he wanted to wear it, though. I ain't gonna tell a superstar what to do. The fuck?
Both y'all niggas need life in prison, bro. Y'all tripping, bro. Y'all niggas tripping. Both y'all niggas need to be abolished. Y'all ever seen that shit where they put the neck in the hands and the wooden thing and they slice the head? God, both y'all. Y'all tripping, bro.
No,
hey, look, how your son doing?
It's doing good.
You fucking with it.
Yeah, I'm fucking with it. They fucking with it.
I'm fucking with it.
No.
You said what?
I said, I'm fucking with it.
I want to put you on a remix.
No, you don't want to put me on a remix. No. You need to put somebody fire on the remix, like somebody good.
Nigga, Yachty, you raw as fuck. What you talking about?
No, man, I'm washed up, man. I ain't no rapper, man. You don't put me on that shit. Look, put somebody hard on there though.
Yeah,
like
you right.
He trusted his homeboy. That's fucking a fuck. That's a. Hey, just get chill out, bro. Hey, just get chill out, bro.
Nah, what?
Oh, yeah, you on some shit today, huh?
Nah, Drewski being funny, bro.
What you scared?
Look at him in the comments. He said he trusted his homeboy that's rocking the fucking thermal.
Man, tell Juicy to shut his ugly ass up before I get on his little fat ass. Shut the fuck up, Juicy.
I ain't gonna lie, but that's the wrong tree. That's the wrong tree to bark up, bro. You don't want it with Juicy, man. He got all the time in the world. He gonna take you there.
I'll fuck Juicy ass up. You don't want to do that. I'll kill his ass. You don't want to do that shit. Just don't play at me. Oh, that.
Look, bro, I'm telling you, bro. That's the wrong one. That's a comedian, bro.
Bro, dog, I bet you he can't whip me. I bet you he can't kill me ranking, nigga. I bet you.
We rappers, bro. Well, you a singer / rapper / dancer / Instagrammer / stylist /
He's talking about slash stylist, slash rapper, slash singer.
All that. You know, but
this is stupid, bro.
Juicy ain't the one, but I don't want no smoke, Juicy. I don't want you to have no smoke with Juicy. So on behalf of you, Juicy, I apologize for sorry. On behalf of me. So I ain't gonna let that happen, bro. Juicy got. And you a boxer. And you a boxer.
I want all the smoke.
You a pina colada sipper. What else are you? You a RAV4 whipper.
You don't even drink.
I see where you going at with it, bro.
You got RAV4, right? It's a RAV4? What that was?
Bro.
What them in? What's on the toe? What that is on the toe? Jimmy Choo. Oh, yeah. What that say? You see? What that say? Alexander McQueen. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Okay. GYT. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You dripping. What them is? Fashion over men pants?
You said what?
Them fashion over men pants? What kind of pants you got on? Oh, them Subies. Them Subies. Yeah. Excuse me. Yeah, you dripping. Yeah. All right. Well, shit, I'm gonna leave you through it, drip guy. I ain't gonna fuck with you no more. You got it, bro. Look, I'm peace and blessings, bro. I'm out.
Hey, nigga. I'm about to have Juicy little fat ass, nigga. Talking all that shit, nigga. I had Juicy, nigga. I ain't no soft ass, nigga. Nigga, what, Juicy? Yeah. Talk that shit, nigga. I want all that smoke, Jew. Yeah. Play at me if you want to, nigga. Man, stop playing at me, Jew. Ugly ass nigga. He don't want to play. I'm the wrong tree to bark, nigga. I bet you don't get on here, boy. Yo, tell Judah, tell Judah, hop out, get on, bark up this tree, young nigga. Yo, Drew, bark up this tree. Bark up this tree, boy. I'm out. What the fuck, bruh, dog. What juice at? What juice? Juice, let me get his little